Hi everybody, today I've got old freaking PlayStation 3 as you can see. I just grabbed it from one of my mates and I know it's faulty, it's no point to fix it, but let's have a look what's inside of this thing. So I've got my trusty freaking screwdrivers here. So let's start. Just managed to open top cover. See there, there's access to some screws here, so let's have a look what's inside of this bad boy. Okay, got top cover off. Plenty of bolts, very long ones as you can see. Right, all I can see inside is CD reader, DVD, and some freaking nice thing there. I think my mate was trying to fix it, but that's why, not touching it. One bolt missing here, so anyway, you've got card reader here. Yeah, you've got just this freaking tape connector thing. So yeah, we've got that. Then we've got what's inside of this thing? Because the thing is, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm never dismantling a PS3 before, so I don't know what's there. Got top cover. I wonder where's power supply to this bad boy. That could be it. This power supply for it. Yeah, because there is a power plug here, and then that cable, mains cable, yeah. On off switch. That's going to this box. So that's the power supply, I believe. Changing 240 volts to 12 volts, 32 amperes, and 2.2 ampere to 5 volts, 3 amperes, something, just to power up our freaking PS3. Okay, what's next? That'll be CD reader here. And just unplug this freaking thing, like a tape connector thing again. I don't care too much about it, so don't want to break it, straight away. But yeah, that's our DVD reader, I believe. And then that will be freaking tape connectors, another type of freaking connector. You can't do it wrong because it's got unique shape of plug. Yeah. So got that. Got some like a rubbery thing in here. I believe it's a heat dispenser. like a gooey thingy. So that'll be kind of heat dispenser or bumper. I've got another freaking tape connector here. Another one. That'll be 2.4 gigahertz something. Antenna. It's an antenna connector. Let's have a look, what's that? That looked to me as a kind of sensor or something. Yeah, anyway, some more screws to undo, so let's use our freaking trusty electric screwdriver. Right, so that'll be main board, I think. Main board. Oh, yeah. A lot of good stuff. Holy! Look what's inside, you know? Holy shit, boys. So that's a power supply with a main switch. That's a nice freaking thing. Maybe I'll save it for something. Yeah, that's a nice switch. Connected all together with that can be a useful part. The rest of it is just that's a heat sink, as you can see. Some freaking gooey heat sink thing, and then there is a battery here. There's a sealed battery. CR2032. Here you go. 2032. Does goes flat, then you've got a problem, but that's a popular battery, so it's not a big deal to fix it. And then you've got, of course, cooling fan, which is quite nice and bulky. Got cooling pins here. That's a copper. Copper, yeah, for sure. Actually, that's that should be it. Of course, that's connected with your main board. Power it, you know. It's a nice piece of freaking machinery, you know. Somebody was thinking quite a long time to how to make it. Nice, nice. That's what I like. Tiny screws here, which I'll leave actually because I don't have small screwdriver next to me. Anyways, it's quite a lot of dust inside, so yeah. That's pretty it, you know. That's it, I think. Let's undo them if I can, probably not. No, it's too small. So there is like that'll look like hard drive. That'll be hard drive, I believe. You know, I'm sure it's a hard drive. Yeah. Got a hard drive here. No, I'm not pulling this out, but all I can see is a hard drive connected with your main board, of course. Full of freaking processors, you know. So yeah, that was the main processors here, because it's full of that gooey stuff, you know, and cooling heads, stuff like this, you know. Just try to pop it. Yep, not doing. Anyway, that's your main board, freaking disk. It's your USB connectors, and soldered all together with your main board. You can see solders here for it, soldering points, you know. Yeah, so you've got hard drive all together with your HDMI connector, LAN connector, and God knows which connector is that, you know, I don't know. So anyway, so not too much stuff left inside, you know. We've got a bunch of plastic parts. Got that. You've got your fan underneath of it. Now you've got DVD reader, which is separate. Your card reader, which is separate. Actually, freaking power switch. A bunch of plastic. You know. Your battery. Give some BIOS settings, you know, and then you've got some freaking bits and bobs, I don't know what's that. And of course you've got your power supply, power converter actually, I'll say. It's making 240 volts, 220 to 240 to 12 volts, and then there's another 5 volts 3 amperes, 12 volts 32 amperes. So basically this part is your like power, get you powered, you know, to power your freaking PS3. And of course you've got a bunch of freaking bolts, you know, so some really pieces of metal. That'll be that's for keeping all parts together, you know, make sure they're squeezed together. That's it, you know. And I've got of course this freaking top cover aluminum thing and a bunch of tape connector, but it's not too many, so probably shouldn't make too many problems, you know, with your PS3. So here you go, that's a PS3, you know. It's PS3 for you. Connector, freaking bolts everywhere, you know. And time's up. Everything was dismantled by freaking PowerIt as the electric screwdrivers and my trusty JCB screwdrivers. So yeah, thanks for watching and thumbs up.